This is how you analyze gold like a pro. Even if I'm using trading bots to trade, let me show you how you analyze gold like a pro. Let's assume you found this market this way. You just opened your chart and you got it this way, okay? The first thing I would do if I were you, I would take a horizontal line and I draw my support level, okay? And that will be my support level. The next thing I'll be doing, I'll wait for this support to be taken, rather for this support to be taken before I take any trades, okay? Then the next thing I would wait, if the market is bullish, of which you first look the market direction in the higher time frame. Once you identify where the market is moving, in this case the market is bullish, so I'll wait for this high to be taken here. And once that high is taken, then from there, I will wait for a little pullback, either on the OTE or on the fair value gap, okay? So I'll just play. We said we can suggest for back tests. You can see. So I will wait for that high to be taken. And once it is taken, from there I can wait for a pullback before continuing with the trend or before joining the buyers, okay? You see it has been taken. You just give it some time. You see, once it starts to pull back, you look for an OTE, or what we basically call we use the Fibonacci retracement tool to find the point of pullback. And the perfect one is the one that normally has a fair value gap. With that, you are good to go. Okay, just wait for a good pullback. You see, there you go. You see, there is a very, very good pullback. Let's even go a point backwards here. Okay, so you take the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is this one, we are buying. So you drag it from this low to the highest point, which is this one. Okay, then I take my rectangle, I draw it. I extend it that way, then remove it. You can see also here, there is an order block. I'll also draw it. There we go. Then I will take my buys as from here, my longs. I'll take them at this point here. You see the dotted red line. That's where that is my entry point. Let's say my entry point is there. I just risk 30, or what we call just a few pips. Let me put it there. Then I'll be aiming at this high. Okay, and that will be my entry point, stop loss, and TP. And always remember to use proper risk management. Trading is not just a gambling space where you just trade the way you want. You must use proper risk management. Use a lot size that can handle big movements. Okay, so we go. Let's see if our TP will be taken. You see? You can see, once the market tapped in the OTE, this is what we call the OTE. Or what many people call use the Fibonacci retracement tool. You can see this is the OTE. You see it tapped on it. Then there's a order block here, and you can see the TP will definitely be hit. That's how you analyze gold like a pro. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll be shooting them on weekends, and you can see our TP was taken. You wait for the market. If you identify the direction of the market, which is which is bullish, which is an uptrend, you wait for the pullback. And how do you know a pullback, where the pullback will happen? You drag your Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom to the highest point if you are buying. And if you are selling, you'll drag it from the top to this swing low. And that's how you trade gold like a pro. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, share, like, comment. And I'm out, guys.